Congratulations, you have made it to the last session in our series, Estate Planning Solutions for Families. You've received a lot of information and we're going to wrap it up today talking about your business and what would happen to your business if something happened to you, how this course applies to your business, and creating an exit strategy just for that. So let's get started. We find it interesting as we've been doing research about businesses and their exit strategies that a lot of businesses haven't thought about what would happen if the leader of that company were to pass. You know, most businesses end up failing when something like that happens. I can give you just one example of many stories. There was a little post office box outlet / camera store here in our town, and it was a thriving little business. It was there for years and years and years. And then, unfortunately, the husband was killed in a car accident. And within 1 month, that business was failed and they had closed up. And it was because there was really no legal plan in place. None of the other employees nor the wife had the legal authority to actually take over the whole business itself, and so they just couldn't move forward. There was no one authorized to sign the checks and the contracts. The login credentials were lost. He didn't have those with them. I had another conversation, John and I did, I should say, with a gentleman we were working with, and he was consulting with a startup internet company. And we asked him to ask them if they had some sort of an exit strategy should one of them go down. And you know what? There was that deer in the headlights look, and he came back and he said, you know what? They don't know what they would do.
It's a huge company too.
Yeah, it's a huge company. They don't know what they would do if one of them was incapacitated. Does this resound with you now? Do you understand the importance of making sure that you have an exit strategy or you have a strategy to carry on? I'm hoping that it does.
I'm hoping so too, but hopefully after this course you'll do this. So we're applying this course to your business. You know, after you've followed through with putting your affairs in order, let's do the course again. The same things apply to your business. There's other legal things that need to happen within your corporate structure, but it's the same thing. It's passwords, it's information, it's who's going to take over, and have you given them legal authority to do that? If you visit the Small Business Association website at www.sba.gov, they have lots of information on succession plans in there. Whether you're a huge corporation or a small business, they really walk you through how to set that up, how to put meetings of minutes in place that really verify that so-and-so at this meeting, it was decided that they are going to be able to sign contracts. I know we've given our son that legal authority, should something happen to Terry and I, that he can carry on. So go to that website. They have all sorts of good stuff for you. Follow the outline in session 4, find a great lawyer. You know, this business attorney is not going to be your estate attorney, and you may have a business attorney now that watches copyrights and advises you on things. You might have a web company and they're advising you on those kinds of things. Find a great lawyer that can talk to you about succession plans and how that all works and all of the things you need to do to make it legal. We need to make this legal. That's what we're doing. Not hard to do. It's easier to do once you get started with your company. Once you first see it's going to be successful, it's good to think about those things. A lot of companies, they're just throwing a great idea out there. Gosh, it gets working. They get busy. Now we're worldwide, and boom, something happens to the owner. I look at it a lot like we've been talking about with family. You may have 5 employees, you may have 5,000 employees. I'm sure you care about them greatly. If there's no plan in place, what happens to them? Boom, out of a job? Probably. You know, you've done all this work to build this great company, and this is the final piece. There again, that final chapter in your business's legacy for you that will allow it to thrive and keep going forward, and for those people to take it to the next level. This is really, really important. So now that you know what to do and why, let's take action. We have to take action. Protect your family, protect everybody. Put your affairs in order today, and then go out and get an estate plan. Protect those you love and your legacy. We're so happy that you've joined us. Terry, parting words?
Well, I just like to say congratulations, because this is something that people might want to put off, and knowing that you are motivated enough to go through this course means that you are really caring about what happens to your family long term. So we encourage you to continue to move forward, keep putting the plan together, keep gathering those documents, and by all means, feel free to contact us when you're done. We'd love to be able to congratulate you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.